Welcome back once again. Here's the material for this tutorial. The legs and the doffers fabric. I folded it into two separately. Unfold the front and back, adding 3.5 inches for the neck width and 8 inches for the front neck depth. Okay, it's gonna be in a V shape. 1.5 inches for the back neck depth is what I'm connecting now. And next thing is the 8 inches, half of our shoulder, and the full length of the sleeve, which is 11 inches, and cut out the back neck first before cutting out the front neck depth. Sleeve opening is 10 inches, going by 2 inches inward, divided by 4 plus extra 4 inches. That's what I'm putting there. It's just a free gown tutorial, very simple gown to make. Just extend it to the sleeve part and also extend it to the full length of my gown. We've done it already. Here, this part we are splitting, we are cutting it out. Okay, part I'm holding, we're not going to use it, but we're going to use it to cut out the door face fabric for the upper region. You can see it here. I've gone ahead and cut out the satin fabric for the design, adding seaming allowance of half an inch to join it together with the down part of it. Okay, you can see, let me just open it up for you to see the V shape when it's open. I want to use lining for inside out, just to neat finishing. I'll go ahead and cut out the inner facing for the back, and here is the lining. We have done it already for neat finishing. I have to place it this way and notch the center for it to join it together. We are done doing that. Okay, and the next thing, I have to do some designs there. Leftover fabric that remain for the down part of this, the lace part of it. I started to cut out the applique, kind of lace applique, and then started to use it to design some part of it. You can see this design. This is how I continuation of it. Just kind of anything it comes, just design it. It's beautiful. I've gone ahead and put the inner facing for the back, but I want to show you something here. Before stitching the two bodies together, this is how you're going to stitch this. Flip it over to this part and stitch it all through for you to have a neat finishing both inside and out. So this is what I'm showing you right now, and stitch it like so. And when you open it up, the inside will look more like outside of it. You can see how I'm showing you right now. The next one, we're going to work on the sleeve opening part. Here is the sleeve opening part for the front bodies and back body. I cut out the strap of for 2.5 inches and stitch it like so. The two sides have to, this is the way it should be, and see the upper part of it before joining it together. We're almost done for this, and this tutorial is a very simple tutorial. So thank you so much for everything. We're going ahead and join the two sides and also the hem, the down part of it, and it's done. You can use the lace to upper part of it if you don't want to use this satin fabric. I have to thank you so much for your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.